Government of India has given the due place to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar ji by conducting today as the Constitutional Day. As on this day in 1949, the Constitution was presented to the government, and then the Constitution was implemented from 26 January 1949. So I think today, this Constitution Day, which is now been nearly being respected by every political party, every citizen, but unfortunately the Congress party has floated several times the constitutional norms, and they have even tried to change the basic structure of the Constitution several times. They declared emergency, they blame the Election Commission, which is the constitutional body. And this is a republic which on 26 January 1950, when we became republic, everyone has a respect for the constitution. But unfortunately, the fundamental rights were curbed by the Congress party. Today, the nation should know that it is the only Bharatiya Janata Party which is respecting the constitution. For Dr. Ambedkar ji, they have in fact declared 5 places of Ambedkar's life's important places, that is Panchatirth. And today, the Election Commission of India is being blamed by the Congress party. They want to lynch them, they want to burn the offices. Such is the attitude of the Congress party. So there is a lot of difference between the Congress party and the BJP. And BJP always respected the Constitution, and Congress party always floated the Constitution. Though Rahul Gandhi may take the Constitution in his hand and go around the people, but he doesn't know what is in the Constitution and how Constitution was in fact floated, and how the Constitution was violated by his grandmother, grandfather, and how the country was against them during those days. So I think this Constitution Day has to be observed by every citizen and should know that how the Congress has in fact treated the Constitution for their political benefits.